Hi there and welcome to this lecture. As I told you before, exploring famous shops is very important while choosing your niche. It might give you a very good idea about new niches and new products idea that you didn't have before. That's why I recommend you to explore famous shops. In this video, I'm going to show you two of the best famous shops I like to explore. The first one is wish.com. The second one is wanello.com. We are going to check for the two of them how to see the popular products in there, how to search these products on AliExpress, and how to explore new niches and new products. So stay tuned. So in wish.com in here, you just have to sign up for a free account. It's totally free. You can just sign up with your Facebook account, and in here you go to the popular section. Under popular section, you will see the products that have been added to the wish list. These products were not really bought, they were added to the wish list. That's why they will give you an idea about what people like and what people like to have, what kind of products they are really interested about. So you have to scroll down in here, find some products that you think might work for you. For example, if we scroll down in here, we can see that this, for example, is for $150. It have both 1,000 times. Now I'm going to check something more with more numbers. Like this one, for example, here is for 100,000. That's big. In here, for example, this is for 200,000. This is too much. I'm going to click in here, for example, maybe I'm going to pick this one also. So if we come to this item was saved many times. It has a very good rating. It was dated too many times, and there is many ideas about this product in here. So what we are going to do, I'm going to copy the name of this product like this, and I'm going to Google. I'm going to paste the name, and I'm going to try to find this name on AliExpress. So see, these are the results. The fourth one is in AliExpress. So great. I'm going to click on AliExpress, and voila, this is the same item in here for $2.33, in here for $6. So you have found your item. This is an item that have been added too many times in here. So it's a product with many chances. Here I'm going to put USA to make sure that they have the e-packet option with them. So I'm going to click on OK. So this item on AliExpress is for $2.33. It's very good. It's no longer available. But you can see that we could easily find this product. I'm going again to search Google this item now on AliExpress. So I'm going to do this. Maybe I will find it on another supplier store where it will be still available. No, it's not available. I'm not finding it here. I'm going to try to search with different words, like this one, for example, in here. I'm going to try to find this item on another supplier. So here you can find many of these items. This is with an e-packet option, for example. This is with an e-packet option also. I'm going to put the orders in here to make sure that I'm getting the ones with the highest order. So here you can check that this item, for example, is for $0.62. It was ordered 2,389 times. It has a very high rating. I'm going to click on it. I'm going to check another item. For example, we can go for this one. What else can we go for? We can pick any one of them. Okay. So now I have this one, for example. It has a very good rating, 4.8. It has a very good number of orders. There are many photos, so we can work with them to market for our products. It has an e-packet. Let's check. It has no e-packet. Let me check. There is an e-packet option in here. That's great. The only problem, I guess, is with the store. The store has no feedback, so we have to search for a supplier with a good feedback. Now if we go to this one, this is a supplier with a large experience but also no feedback, so I recommend you to search more and find a product that has a store that has feedbacks. So you can easily see we have found a product on wish.com. We went to Google, we searched for the product, then voila, we found it in here and we found it in here. That's perfect. So now let me check another kind of products. For example, this one, maybe it will be a bit hard to find this one on AliExpress. About jewelry, I don't really recommend you to go with jewelries. Not because they don't sell, they sell very well. But the problem with jewelry is that they are very broad and very general. It's very hard to target a jewelry audience. That's why I recommend you to go with something very specific, like jewelries for dog lovers, maybe jewelries for religious people, something like that. It's easier to target this kind of people. It's easier to work with these kinds of niches. So let me try. Maybe I will be able to find it. I'm going to copy the title. I'm going to Google. I'm going to paste it, and let me check if we can find it on AliExpress. I don't think so. Oh, we have something on AliExpress, but it might not be the same one. Well, it's the same one, I guess. Wow, that's perfect. It's on AliExpress for $1.57, and it has an e-packet option. Let me check if it has an e-packet option. No e-packet option. This is bad. Let us do some more search in here. Let's copy this, paste it in here, and try another time. Let me see if we're going to find it. So I'm going to click on orders. So we have this one. It was ordered only one time. So no, this item wasn't ordered enough times. I don't recommend you to go with it. Let me check if the one we first found was with the same number of orders. Yeah, it wasn't ordered enough times, so I don't recommend you to go with it. We didn't find it on AliExpress, so we just skip it and go for another product. Let me check what else we can find. So this is, for example, is a good product, a product that you might start with. But also kitchen accessories, that it's a little bit like a very broad and general idea, because people have been dropshipping in this category for so long. It's very hard to market in this category. There is a very high risk of competition, but it can get you money. So you can go with it if you are very sure about your marketing strategy, but I also recommend you to always go with the small, very specific niches. So I'm going to scroll down and search for more items. Let me see what we can also find. What we can also work with, for example, we can try this one, for example. Let me see what we can try also. We can try this thing. It's nice. It looks nice. I'm going to try to find this on AliExpress. I'm going to copy the title and I'm going to paste it on Google. And I'm going to try to find AliExpress. This is it. This is the item they were selling in there. It's very similar to this item in here. We will be able to find the same exact item or something similar to it. So in here we have this item. It has a very good rating. The shop has 2 years of experience but no badges. This is bad. So let me check if we can find another one. Other items with good suppliers. So this is the one they were selling here. Yeah, this is the one, exactly the one. Okay, but it has no orders. This is bad. This is similar. This is also similar. You can check any one of them, and don't forget to go with the criteria we have talked about. like the number of orders, the rating, the supplier rating, and the supplier badges, and the supplier's years of experience, the feedback, and how many photos these items have, because you need these photos to be able to market for your product. So we have seen together how to go with Wish.com. Wish.com will give you many ideas about niches and sub-niches. So it's very important to scroll down. It's very important to explore Wish.com carefully. Many ideas might cross your mind just by scrolling in this website, just by searching some few products. So now let's go and try with the other website. It's Wanello. In Wanello, in here you just have to sign up. Also you can sign up with Facebook, it's for free. And here in the trending section you can see what's trending now. This kind of stuff will give you ideas about new niches, new ideas that go beyond your brainstorming and beyond your own ideas. So let's scroll together and see what we might find. So let me check what we can find in here. What's this, for example? I want to see what is this. It looks interesting. I'm going to scroll down more. Maybe check this one in here. What else we can find in here? The items you find in Wanello you might not find on AliExpress, but they will give you ideas about categories and subcategories. That's why they are important. This is a nice item. I love it. This is a nice item also. I love it, and you might find it on AliExpress. This is also a nice item. What else we can find? So let us work with the one we found already. So this is, for example, a lighter. It's very nice. It's for $4. You can target people who smoke, for example. It's important. Let me check if we can find it. Okay, we don't have a big title, so maybe we will not be able to find it on AliExpress. But let's check. Let's go to AliExpress and let's try to find it. No, we didn't find. For example, in this way we have we didn't thought about smokers before, like about targeting smokers. I know I hate smoking. I'm against smoking, but I'm talking business now. This kind of ideas. Let's scroll down what we can find more. Here, for example, we have this. It's very important to save space in your kitchen. Let me check if we can find it on AliExpress. This item is very nice, but maybe the audience will be a little bit difficult to be targeted, but it's okay. Let me check. We have found many items that are similar to this one. Let's go, for example, for this one. It's also nice. Let me check if we can find it on AliExpress. So maybe we have to search something different. Let's say fruitry basket, like this hanger, and let's paste it in here. I think I have seen this item before on AliExpress, so I'm pretty sure it's here somewhere. Let me try to search on Google. Yeah, this is the item. Let me check if we can find it on AliExpress. It's really weird because I remember I have found it one day. Let me check if we can find it in here. These are Amazon, eBay. I don't know why we didn't find it on AliExpress, but I remember that once I have found it myself and I was thinking about selling it. So let's skip this one. This one also is a good idea. You can search for it on AliExpress. So you see, scrolling down Wanello, we can find many ideas, many niches we didn't think about before. Let me see what else we can find. Here, this is also a nice idea. For example, this item might be nice also. So this is a nice item. You might try to find it on AliExpress. This is also a very nice item, and it's there on AliExpress. I have seen it many times, so you can also go with it. And this is a very funny item where you can target people who like basketball, for example. It doesn't really solve a problem, but it's kind of nice, so maybe you can try it. Okay, so we have seen together how we have used Manello.com and Wish.com to explore new niches. Sometimes our hobbies are limited, sometimes we do brainstorm and we reach a point where we don't have any new idea about the new niches or new type of products. Searching and exploring famous store is a very good idea, because trending stuff and popular stuff can give you a very important idea about what kind of products you can sell, and these kind of popular stuffs and products can help you really find winner products on AliExpress. I hope you liked this lecture. Let's meet in the next lecture.